Hello and welcome everyone. Bonjour et bienvenue tout le monde. Today we are going to deal with one of the most important pronunciations in French. That is the pronunciation of you. So we say you in French as you. You. Just like in the English words do, few, new, sew. So it's not just you but you. Combined together, you. For example, bus, which means bus. But, which means goal. Culture, culture. So there are two U's here. Culture, culture, which means culture. Jus, jus, which means juice. Menu, menu, which means menu. Mur, mur, which means wall. Reçu, reçu, which means a receipt. Rue, rue, which means street. Sur, sur, which means on. The second variation of this sound is when you combine U, A together. So it gives the sound of you. You. For example, nuage, nuage, which means cloud. Let's see another combination with you. That is U and E together, which gives the sound EU. EU. Like graduelle, UL. Okay? So graduelle, which means gradual. Individuel, individuel, which means individual. Annuel, annuel, which means annual or yearly. Tuer, tuer, which means to kill. There is an exception to this. The word is cacahuète. We do not have a U. If you hear it clearly, it's cacahuète, which means peanut. Let's see another combination. When U comes after the consonant C or G. Let's see the sound together. Cueillir, cueillir. So it's A-E because the combination here is E-I-L after U. So U-E-I-L makes it cueillir. Another example, orgueil, orgueil, which means pride. One of the major combinations that we see in French is U-I, which is a very particular sound, and it is oui, oui. For example, bruit, bruit, which means noise. Cuisine, cuisine, which means kitchen. Fruit, fruit, which means fruit. Huit, huit, that is 8. Nuit, nuit, which means night. Pluie, pluie, that means rain. Produit, produit, which means product. So, to resume the whole, U in French gives the sound of you, you. The combinations with other vowels are UA makes it UA, UA. UE makes it ouvert. Ouvert. With UI, it becomes oui. Oui. I hope you're enjoying learning with us. So happy learning. Thank you. Merci.